Alright. Right now, I am finna play Early Bird. I think. Yeah. I don't know how to pronounce it. How am I supposed to do it? Open start. Wait, how? Wait. I'm not even touching nothing. Wait. How do I play it?
You gotta turn the phone.
What the?
Wow. What? And I just did that.
Oh.
See?
Okay, I forgot how to do
You
it.
gotta turn the phone.
I gotta turn the phone like that. Oh my god. My face can't be turned
Oh
up.
my god.
Let's go. Oh. No. Oh, I messed up. Okay. I was confused at the beginning, bro. But I really gotta do this. No.
Let me play this too.
No. It's too sensitive. Like. Whoa, that's a bouncy one. Whoa. I am a beast. Oh God.
Look at them flicking the words. Hey, look at them flicking the words.
Oh God. No.
Look at them flicking the words.
Ooh, my high score is 5,177. Oh snap. I like the bouncy one. Oh.
Oh my gosh, wait. Yeah.
No, I was gonna become a cop.
Oh my god.
Okay, this game is not as easy as all the viewers think. But if you are new, subscribe. Oh, I can't go back. If you are new, subscribe to the new channel.
To the wheel.
And get this video to just 100,000 likes. Ooh, it's traps. Okay, it's traps. I don't want to touch those.
That's it, boy. No.
No.
You could have put on that one. I don't have no setup.
Wait. Okay. I also go to die next time. My high score is so high, bro. Now it's low. I'm gonna replay. Why you make me right there? See, it made me in the middle of the air. See? Alright.
You need to play.
One more chance. One more.
No, get that. Never mind.
No. No.
Oh my god.
Back with. Okay, come on, come on, come on.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Who's that?
You know how to do it.
No, I was on the car.
Me.
Wait, what are those do? I'm gonna try to land on one of them. I'm gonna try to land on one of those spicy things.
No, I know what kill you.
No!
Airball. Ball.
Everybody go subscribe to Gaming with Kayla. Everybody.
Game up with Caleb, definitely.
Gaming with Caleb, I mean. Everybody go subscribe.
With me, go to my channel.
He doesn't have one.
Yes, I do.
And if he does, the link will be in the description.
I do.
What is it called?
It's called Jaden B.
Okay.
Where this
The
go?
link will be in the description down below. And if it's not a real thing, just come back and comment.
Shut up. See if it's a real thing. Because it is.
No.
Airball. Airball.
Bro, you can't stand being in the YouTube vlog game, can you?
That's so funny.
This wasn't the first time. Claire had to pass out of promotion. But it would be the last time.
You are so sad.
Can you
Can I?
go to your YouTube channel? Dang, don't come mess with mine.
Make the most of your business card with this event.
Stop it. Stop it.
No. Oh.
Red. Help.
Okay, I thought that would do something. Ooh. Ooh. He got it. He. Okay, I'm gonna try this special move one more time. One more. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing that.
Discover L5 Protein Recharge and Conditioner or Heat Protecting Formula with hair 15 times stronger.
I really think that's gonna do something. Dang it. I'm sorry, I had to get some chips.
One.
No. No. Wait. You'll get more if they get this video to, let's say, 1,000 likes. We get the whole thing if they get it.
Please get 1,000 likes, please.
Everybody not gonna do it.
Yes, they are. Oh!
Because people don't like nasty stuff, son. Sorry for his accent. Cop, cop, cop.
Because it's so good. You should try it at the Dollar Tree.
They don't even know what you're talking about. Okay.
It's these chips. Make sure you get these chips so I can eat them. How many? Yo.
Spikes. Oh, they kill you. Stop.
Give me a Oh, you yell like a maniac. This boy yells like a maniac. Me?
Yeah, he got my kill.
No, not.
My cousin is the craziest dude in the world. Bro, stop. That's why you ain't getting no chips. No. God, that's why you almost tripped. Oh, dang it. Whoa, I got a new high score. 600, 200, 6,000. 6,222. 20. I am literally gaming in the barbershop. You have to like the video. I don't want to show. You have to like the video, man.
If I even have.
Stop, man. But yeah, I am gaming in the barbershop. I am gaming in the barbershop. Look at my face cam, y'all. See, I'm in the barbershop. Ain't no way I'm just gonna come in the barbershop and game like that. Channel all about gaming anyway. Wow, I'm gonna beat my high score. No. I was finna beat my high. Alright, that's it for today's video.